Welcome, my dear students. Today's lesson we will talk about three parts about the triangle. The first part, the sum of interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180. This means in a triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C must be equal 180. In the opposite example, the triangle ABC, we have measure of angle A 70 degree and measure of angle B 50 degree, so find the measure of angle C. First, we will add the measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. The sum is 0, 12. Second step, we will subtract 120 from 180. The result 60. Then measure of angle C is equal to 60 degree. Second example, in a triangle EFD, we have 30 degree and 120 degree. Find the measure of angle D. First, we'll add 120 plus 30 equals 150 and subtract 150 from 180 equals 30. A third example, in a triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y equals 90. This square means 90 degree. And the measure of angle X is equal to 30. Then measure of angle Z equals, first, we'll add 30 plus 90 equals 120. And subtract 120 from 180 equals 60. The fourth example, in a triangle ABC, measure of angle A equals 80 and measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle C. Then find each of the measure of angle B and the measure of angle C. First, we will subtract 180 minus 180 equals 100. And we will divide 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Then measure of angle B equals measure of angle C. Each of one is equal to 50 degree. Second exercise, find the measure of the following. In a triangle ABC, measure of angle A 80, measure of angle B 70, then measure of angle C. First, we'll add 80 plus 70 equals 150. Subtract 180 minus 150 equals 30. In a triangle KLM, measure of angle K equals 130, measure of angle L equals 20, then measure of angle M. First, add 130 plus 20 equals 150 and subtract 150 from 180 equals 30. In a triangle XYZ is a right angle triangle at Y. This means measure of angle Y equals 90 degree. And the measure of angle X equals 30, then find the measure of angle Z. First step, 90 plus 30, 120. Second step, 180 minus 120 equals 60. Number D, in a triangle ABC, measure of angle A equals measure of angle B equals 50. This means measure of angle A equals 50 and measure of angle B also equals 50. Then find measure of angle C. First, we'll add 50 plus 50 equals 100. Second, we'll subtract 100 from 180 equals 80. The third exercise, which of the following angles can be the triangle? The three angles, the summation of the three angles must be equal 180. So, first add 70 plus 30 plus 90. The sum must be equals 180. 70 plus 30, 100. 100 plus 90, 190. These angles can't be in the same triangle. Second, 65, 60, 70 can be form a triangle. Means these angles can be in the same triangle. We will add 65 plus 60 and add the sum to 70. 65 plus 60, 125 plus 70, 195. No, it can't be. Third, 45, 135 can be form a triangle. 45 plus 100 plus 35 equals 145 plus 35 equals 180. Yes, these three angles can be in the same triangle. Last, 40, 40, 100. Yes, a side. 40 plus 40 plus 100, 40 plus 40, 80, 80 plus 100 equals 180. This is the first type. The second part is the types of triangle according to angles. This is the second part. The types of triangle according to angles. Any triangle has three angles. First type, right angle triangle. This triangle has one right and two acute. An acute angle means its measure less than 90. First type, right angle triangle, has one right and two acute angles. A second type, acute angle triangle. This triangle has three acute angles. Three acute. The third type, obtuse angle triangle. This triangle has one obtuse and two acute angles. Obtuse angle means its measure more than 90. Then we have three types of triangle according to angles. First, right, acute, obtuse. The third part, We'll talk about the types of triangle according the length of its sides. The first type, equilateral. Equilateral. Equi means equal. Lateral means sides. Equal sides. This triangle ABC has 3 equal sides. Also has 3 equals angles. Each of them with measure 60 degree and 60 degree. First type, equilateral. Second type, isosceles. Isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides, like xy equals xz, and also has two equal angles. Has two equal angles. xy equal xz, and also has 2 equal angles. This triangle is called isosceles. The last type is scaling triangle. Scaling triangle means this triangle has 3 different sides and also has 3 different angles. We have 3 types of triangle according to sides: equilateral, isosceles, scaling. Equilateral has 3 equal sides. Isosceles has 2 equal sides. Scaling has 3 different sides. First exercise. Determine the type of each of the following triangle according to their angles. First, measure x 46 degree, measure y 38, measure z 96. 96 degree, so this measure more than 90. This triangle is called obtuse. Number B, measure of angle H equals 70, angle B 50, angle A 60. Each one of them with measure less than 90, then the triangle is called acute. Number C, measure of angle A 100, so we decide 100 more than 90, the triangle is obtuse. Measure of angle x equals 90 and y 45, 90. This means the triangle is right. Number E, measure of angle A equals 70, measure B 60 degree. Then we have to know the third angle, which is angle C. Angle C equals 180 minus the sum of 70 and 60. 60 plus 70, 130, and the difference between 180 and 130 equals 50. So we have 50, 60, 70. This triangle is called acute. Number F, measure of angle X equals 25 degree, Y 65. Then we have to know the third angle, which is measure of angle Z. First, 25 plus 65 equals 90. Then measure of angle Z, 180 minus 90 equals 90. Then the triangle has three angles, 90, 65, 25, 90. So the triangle is right angled triangle. Number G, in triangle KLM, measure of angle K equals measure of angle L equals 50. Each of one is equal to 50 degree. Then we have to know the third angle, which is M. Measure of angle M equals, first we add the measure of angle K and the measure of angle L. 50 plus 50 equals 100. Then measure of angle M, 180 minus 100 equals 80. We have 80, 50, 50. Then the triangle is acute. The last exercise, determine the type of each of the following triangles according to their sides. AB, the first, number A, AB equals 6 centimeters, 7 and 6. We have two equal sides, 6, 7, 6. We have 6 and 6. This triangle is called isosceles. Number B, XY 4, YZ 4, XZ 8. Also, this triangle is called isosceles. The last, MA equals 8, AY equals 8, YM equals 8. So we have three equal sides. This triangle is called equilateral. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.